19, 20, 21.
Okay, I'm going to quickly shower now.
Okay.
I'm back.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now it's under. Oops. Big burst.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is DineoM and you are tuned into Becoming DineoM. Now, of course, if you are new to this channel, take a 2-minute pause and head over straight to the subscribe button. Make sure that you smash it so that you can become part of this lovely family. And if you are part of the family and you're a returning supporter, thank you so much, you guys. I really do appreciate your support. It means so much to me. I see you guys and I love you. Now, on today's video, guys, it's a vlog. It started early during the day when I made myself some lunch. Y'all know that I'm in the process of losing weight, so I've made myself like an eating program. So I'm trying intermittent fasting where I have my first meal at 2 p.m. during the day. So I did insert a clip if you guys want some lunch, some healthy lunch inspiration. So I've got you guys covered as per usual. So yeah, I hope you guys try the meals. And yeah, so I made that. By the way, the patty is homemade. I'll probably put the recipe for the patty in the description box below. And yeah, after then I went Fefe did her homework, and then after her homework she did her test as per usual. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please head over to my previous videos or vlogs where I show you guys her evening routine, basically, or after school routine. She has these tests that she does every day, because on Fridays they usually have like the actual formal test at school. So yeah, we practice from Monday to Thursday, and then on Friday she goes to write her test. You guys, now we're gonna go out to grab something to eat. Then when we come back, I'm gonna try and do Fefe's hair because her hair is very messy. So yeah, by the way, Fefe, come say hello. Come say hello and tell them how you did on your test.
I did really well, thank you.
You did really well, ne? And mommy still needs to do your hair. Show them your hair, how it's looking. It's a bit of a mess now, so I'm gonna try to do her hair tonight, and I'll show you guys the process when I do her hair, and then yeah, also the after, the results. So yeah, see you guys when we come back from buying food. Good morning, you guys, and yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's a new day. I know yesterday I left you guys hanging. The last time I saw you guys was when I told you that we are going to get something to eat, and yeah, we took long at the store. And yeah, we got back. Fifi was tired, so I couldn't do her hair, and she wanted to play. But today is a new day. I am gonna do her hair. But anywho, I just want to show you guys that I'm about to start my workout. I have my friend's little sister. She's into working out, she's into fitness and being all healthy, you know, body goals and stuff. She offered to help me with weight loss, and yeah, I appreciated that. And yeah, so she's gonna help me now. We are about to start, and unfortunately I won't be able to record that because I recorded everything with my phone, and I'm going to be on a WhatsApp video call with her as well. So I won't be able to record the whole process where I'm exercising. But yeah, pray for me. That's all I can say because I'm so scared. I haven't been working out in a while, and yeah, I'm so terrified. Even when I was working out, I never used to enjoy working out. So it's not like I love working out or I miss working out. I don't miss it. I'm just doing it because I want to be fit, I want to be healthy, and yeah, I also want to look good, sculpt my body and also lose some weight so that, yeah, I can achieve the body weight that I wish for. So she said the only things I need, I think it's a mat, a working out mat, and a skipping rope. So I'm gonna go out and check for a skipping rope, then I'm gonna get started. Then I'll see you guys after. So you guys, I can't find my skipping rope. The only skipping rope I can find is my daughter's skipping rope. I'm not sure if it's gonna work because it's so weak, like it's so light. So let me get started. Let me get started. I'm ready, guys. I'm ready. So I'll see you guys after my workout.
Few moments later.
You guys, I'm back from the workout. It was so much fun. I'm just tired. Fun and challenging at the same time. I liked it though. So I'm just gonna make myself a cup of ginger. So as I was saying, I'm going to make myself a cup of ginger tea and lemon. Let me plug in some water, and then I'm going to fetch a jacket. It's cold. Woo! What about that, guys? So I'm thinking I'm going to add a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of, no, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and some lemon. My concoction here. Usually I wouldn't advise you guys to put cayenne pepper because I know there are some people who have sensitive stomachs or ulcers and stuff. So if you know you've got like hectic ulcers, I wouldn't advise you to try it with the cayenne pepper. And yeah, just do ginger and lemon. And again, I'm not a doctor. I'm just a normal girl who is trying to lose weight through my own research. And yeah, if you want to lose weight too, check on Google. And if you have like any medical conditions, of course you always have to check in with your doctor. However, I'm doing it my own way, like the DineoM way. So I'm on intermittent fasting. I know it's a whole lot complicated topic. If you're actually interested, check other videos, check on Google, and you will get the information that you need regarding intermittent fasting. So mine, I break my fasting at around 2, and if I can't handle up until 2, then 1 o'clock is perfect for me. But for now, in the meantime, what I do is that of course today was my first time working out, so I wake up in the morning. Usually this drink I have it on an empty stomach. When my daughter leaves for school, that's when I get time to myself and I make myself this drink. However, I don't usually put cayenne pepper. I just put ginger and lemon, sometimes turmeric, and a bit of black pepper, as well as apple cider vinegar. But yeah, this drink is my own concoction that I thought of in my own head. So yeah, because I know that ginger is good for suppressing appetite and for also promoting weight loss, as well as lemon as well, packed with vitamin C, and also helps to clean out your body of all the toxins. And then cayenne pepper as well helps to boost your metabolism. So yeah, that's why I have them all in here, as well as apple cider vinegar. So you can check the ingredients and Google them before you start using them. So I'm pressing on that because I don't want anyone to try this drink without having to do their own research. I'm just a DineoM child. If anything, this could be wrong. So I'm just me, like doing things, just doing me, I don't know. I'll record the process, and if it works for me, then good. If it makes me sick, then I'll still update you guys on every step and how the whole program. Guys, when you're alone in the house and you hear sounds, that's what I'm hearing right now. But I'm thinking it's the people who are cleaning the stairs. I hope so. I hope so, because I'm hearing like funny sounds. By the way, my daughter, her school, because of this whole third wave, her school basically, they say we must collect all kids by 11:30. So they knock off at 11:30, which I feel is now. Like, getting time to myself is now gonna be like a rumor, because she'll be back like within no time. It's only 10 o'clock. It's 10:49, and I'm thinking that dad is probably on his way to collect her from school, and soon they'll be here. I need to include them in my schedule, and yeah, I'm not happy about that, but what can we say? What can we say? It's the third wave, and we need to adhere to the rules and regulations. I guess it's for the safety of our kids. I think if you have honey, you can put honey, because it's really sour because of the lemon and the apple cider vinegar.
Few moments later.
So you guys, this is what I'm breaking my fast with. It's yesterday's burger patty. I showed you guys how I made it. And then the onions as well, and eggs with spring onion, tomatoes with a bit of mayo and some black pepper and a bit of salt. And then there it's some baby spinach. So this is my lunch, literally what I'm baking my fast with, and yeah, it looks super yummy. I can't wait to dig in. And of course I've got some fish fingers here. I was making some for my daughter, so yeah, they literally just called my name as well. So I decided to make them for myself. Oh, and I'm also pairing it with, I'm having it with a glass of water. It's just tap water. That's my daughter making sounds in the background. I told you guys that they're here. They're gonna be here soon, so please excuse any background noises. Back at my eating spot, I'm about to devour, and I've got hot water bottle right here with me because it's a bit cold. Yeah, I've been doing this for like almost a week, and for me, I think it's been working for me, because yeah, I don't want to say much about it, but it works. It does work for me. And basically, I'm not starving myself. I just wait to eat until a certain time of the day, and then that's when I eat for a certain period. Probably now I'm just gonna have my lunch. It's at 2. I'm having my lunch, and then if I'm feeling hungry or I feel like snacking on something, maybe like a strawberry or a nachi or an apple, whatever it is, I can snack on it. And then at night, if I'm full, then I'll just have a smoothie. But if I'm hungry, I'll just have maybe meat and a salad. So yeah, I'm not overeating, and I'm also not under eating. This is so yum. It's super yum. So you guys, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for so much for joining me on this journey and for also clicking on my videos. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that whenever I have a new video, YouTube can notify you. Please also follow me on Instagram. It is becoming_DineoM. Follow me there and let's engage. So thank you so much, you guys. From me to you guys, I love you so much. And again, thank you so much for your support. It's a goodbye from me. I'm just gonna finish my meal and bye. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, by the way. Bye.